Brown Events was formed nearly 20 years ago. A gentleman called Chris Hughes, he put a small team together. I joined within 1 year and we launched just the Vitality Show, the BBC Tomorrow's World Show, the Outdoor Show, some fantastic consumer exhibitions, taste festivals. So we've now done Car Fest, Top Gear Live, so we're now running the Fast and Furious franchise, and what you're seeing here is second year of Pub in the Park.
We launched last year, Tom Kerridge Presents Pub in the Park in Marlow to a roaring success, sold out in 48 hours. We decided to launch it in 4 areas this year, so we've gone to Marlow, Bath, Tunbridge Wells and Knutsford.
Tom Kerridge is an incredibly talented individual, but what I've been most impressed with is that this is his event. He is not someone who's just put his name on the door. He is over every single detail. He's caring about how the show is laid out, he's caring about which restaurant is going where, he's caring about the music. He influences a huge amount of our decision making, and so this is a true reflection of what he believes is the ultimate pub garden. You definitely have to have great music, and you can see the stage behind us, but you also need great food and you need great drinks. All the drinks that you'd hope to get from a great bar, you can sample and buy here to enjoy. And then we throw in Michelin-starred pub food. You can sample a dish. Every dish is £5, so very good value and amazing menus. And so we think it's a perfect formula.
We're here from the Star Inn in North Yorkshire, Michelin-starred thatch cottage. This is the 3rd time we've been to Pub in the Park. We did the 2 in Marlow, one last year and one about a month ago. We've really enjoyed it, and we've kind of changed a few of the menu dishes. We've changed a bit of equipment. We're doing things a little bit differently. We've tried to make ourselves a little bit slicker, and we think that this will be a really good event. We're looking forward to it. Food and good music are 2 things that should be together. It's a good concept.
Certainly the plans for next year, we're in conversations with 5, 6 other towns around the country, and we'd hope to do at least another 2, possibly 4. So we could be running 8 Pub in the Parks next year, because if we can find parks, we can find towns that are going to welcome us and want us here, then it's, as you can see, quite an operation, but it's one that can roll from one week to the other, which is great fun.
So there's probably 10 to 15 core staff that are full-time employed brand people that just specifically work on this project. We then bring in freelancers to manage the faff bar, the VIP. I've got crew, so I would imagine there's between 50 to 80 people that are directly involved in the build and break of this show. It's quite a big operation. It's only a little festival, but with the press that are associated to it, Tom Kerridge and all the other celebrities that are around it, nothing can go wrong, and so there's quite a bit of pressure. Yeah, I mean, PKL are great. There's not many companies out there that understand putting a kitchen into a field. It's definitely out of the comfort zone of most other companies. They've got great modular systems that can go up and go down. The guys that work behind the scenes, the guys that do the install, are all great. They come to site, they know their job, they listen and they get it done. That's all we want from people. So yeah, pleased to be working with PKL.
The reason I'm very satisfied with how it's working with PKL is that they understand the challenges like we do of restaurants. They're dealing with those professionals who just need a bit of kit to turn on, work and not be a drama, and I think we've certainly experienced that the equipment that we get is good, but not just that, the attention to detail in advance, the work that's done by the PKL team communicating with each and every restaurant, ensuring that they understand the equipment that's being brought, the layouts of every restaurant are done, there are drawings done to make sure that everything fits. We don't get there and there's too much equipment. Very detailed, scaled drawings of every single restaurant, which is brilliant. And then the team on the ground are here, they meet the restaurants, they work with our gas engineer here to make sure it's tested. They leave us a load of spare kits should something not work. We flip it over and they deal, the fact that they're dealing directly with the restaurants is good. It means that they're talking the same language, because if we got stuck in the middle, we're no experts on kitchen equipment. Like I say, we're going to be doing a lot more of these in the future, so it's a good partnership from our side.